Hey, Ivy here. Today, we're diving into how you can use AI to create a simple plan for a fun family picnic. Planning a picnic can be a delightful experience, especially when AI steps in to make everything smoother and more enjoyable. First, let's talk about choosing the perfect spot. AI can analyze weather forecasts and suggest locations that are not only beautiful, but also convenient for everyone in your family. Whether it's a sunny park nearby or a secluded lakeside area, AI helps you find the ideal setting for your day out. Next up is the menu. AI can assist in crafting a delicious spread that caters to everyone's tastes and dietary needs. By analyzing preferences and dietary restrictions, AI can recommend recipes that are sure to please. Imagine having a menu that includes everyone's favorites, from fresh salads to scrumptious sandwiches and delightful desserts. Plus, AI can help you create a shopping list to ensure you have all the ingredients you need. Now, let's move on to activities. A picnic is not just about food, it's about having fun together. AI can suggest games and activities that are perfect for all ages, ensuring everyone has a great time. From classic games like frisbee and tag to more organized activities like scavenger hunts or nature walks, AI can tailor suggestions to fit your family's interests and the location you've chosen. Using AI to plan your picnic means you can focus on what truly matters, spending quality time with your loved ones. No more stress about forgetting something or worrying about the weather. With AI's help, you can relax and enjoy the day. So grab your picnic basket and let AI do the heavy lifting. Tune in tomorrow for another exciting AI tip. Until then, happy picnicking.